Yes, come on. On first question, the graphs of equations 6x minus y plus 7 equal to 0 and 12x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0 are two lines which are. Okay, you have given a1 is your 6, b1 is equal to minus 1 and c1 equal to 7. Similarly, a2 is 12 given to you, b2 is minus 2 is given to you, and c2 is given to you 6. Then what to do? a1 upon a2, find out. Find out a1 upon a2. This is 6 upon 12. This is 1 upon 2. b1 upon b2 minus 1 upon minus 2. It is coming 1 upon 2. c1 upon c2 is 7 upon 6. So by this it is very clear. Here a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and not equal to c1 upon c2. It means we can say these two lines are of which type? See, these two lines are parallel lines, because in what was the condition for parallel line? a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and not equal to c1 upon c2. Come on for the next question. The graphs of the equation 2x plus 8y minus 10 equal to 0 and 3x minus 7y minus 6 equal to 0. Then you check it a1 upon a2. a1 is what? 2. a2 is what? 3. Is equal, let me see, b1 upon b2 8 and here minus 7. See, both are not equal, no? If a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 both are not equal, then we can say these two lines are of intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. In this lines, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So with the help of these coefficients you can get easily. In this one again, a1 is 25, a2 is 5. What is 5 here? b1 is minus 15, b2 is minus 3. Minus 2 minus cut 5 upon 1. Okay, that is c1. c1 will be minus 10, no? When it will go that side, this will be minus 10. And here is coming minus 2. All these three are equal, no? Here is coming a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, and this ratio is also equal c1 upon c2. If all these three are equal, then we can say coincident line. Lines are coincident. Yes, if the lines given by 4x plus 3ky is equal to 2 and 5x plus 2y is equal to 1 are parallel. Parallel condition is given to you. What is the meaning? a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and not equal to c1 upon c2. You have to find value of k. What is the condition? a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, which is not equal to c1 upon c2. Put values. a1 is what? 4, no? I am writing here. This is 4. a1 4. a2 is 5. b1 upon b2. b1 is what? 3k. This is 3k. b2 is what? 2. It is 2. Okay, c1 upon c2. I can get this from this relation only. Cross multiply. 5 3s are 15k is equal to 8. Then k will be 8 upon 15. This is your answer. Next one. If two lines kx minus y is equal to 10 and 3x plus 2y equal to 4 represent two lines intersecting at a unique point. You have to find value of k. For finding when unique point it is given to you, what is the condition? A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Okay, what is A1? A1 is clearly k. A2 is 3, is not equal to, what is the coefficient of y? It is minus 1, and here coefficient of y is 2. Okay, so 2k is not equal to minus 3 after cross multiplying. Then k will be not equal to minus 3 by 2. We can say accept the value of k, that is minus 3 by 2, all values represent or if all values put on place of k that represent two lines intersecting at a unique point. Okay, then next question, the pair of equation this and this is given to you has how many solutions? Again you have to check it. A1 upon A2, 2 minus 6, A1 upon A2, B1 is 1, here is minus 3. Okay, then this is also coming this, but this is 7 upon 10. So we can say A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 and not equal to C1 upon C2. We can say it means these lines are parallel. Okay, and parallel lines have how many solutions? There is no solution. Yes, the next, the pair of equation this and this has dash solutions. Again you have to check. A1 upon A2, this is 7 upon 5. This is B1 upon B2 is minus 3 upon 8. Both are not equal, clear? If A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, then unique solution you will get. Unique solutions. Unique solution. Next, for what value of k does the system of equations kx plus 2y is equal to 3 and 3x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 has no solution? If any system has a no solution, then condition is what? A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, which is not equal to C1 upon C2. Okay, what is A1? It is k. A2 is what? 3. B1 upon B2, 2 and minus 1 is not equal to C1 upon C2. When we send this 3 that side, this will be minus 3 upon 4. Then what will be the value of k? Cross multiply it. Minus k is equal to 3 2s are 6. K is equal to minus 6. That is your answer. Come on, the next. For what value of k does the pair of equations this and this have a unique solution? Unique solution, again, what is the condition? A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. And what is A1? Is 1. A2 is what? 4. Is not equal to B1 is minus 4 and B2 is minus k. Okay, this sine to sine cut. 4 k is will not equal to 4 4 the 16, except 16 all values are applicable for this solution of k. This is your answer. K is equal to minus 16 is your answer. Next question is question number 10. On solving this and this, then find value of x and y. Okay, I am taking elimination method to solve this x plus y is equal to 10, 2x minus y is equal to 8. Y to y cut, 2x and here 1x, this is coming 3x, 18, 18 upon 3. Okay, x is equal to 6 is coming. Put value of x in equation number 1. This is equation number 1. 6 plus y is equal to 10. Y will be 10 minus 6. This is coming 4. So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. These are the answers of this.